So today I thought we would talk about glazed carrots. They're really tasty. I'm gonna show you the easiest and simplest way to make brown sugar glazed carrots. Then show you some tweaks so you can make it your own. So you can add a new, very easy holiday side to your holiday dinner. My name is Heather, and I want you to have confidence in the kitchen and be able to make any recipe your own while having some fun.
Let's get started. Put equal parts butter and brown sugar into your pan. I used a tablespoon of each. I already have the heat going to speed up the process. I have the heat on medium. This is your moment to add honey or agave or maple if you would prefer. Use the sugar that the moment best calls for or that you like best. Then put carrots in a single layer in the pan. Glazed carrots can sometimes get a bad rap, and I think that's because of their texture. The easiest way to get a consistent texture is to use carrots that are all the same size. If you don't want your carrots to go to waste, you can always give them to a furry friend. I'm using baby carrots here, but you could cut up carrots into rounds if you would prefer. Or use whole carrots, but again, you want to make sure they're all similar in size. Then cover in water so they're mostly submerged, like you see here. Give it a quick swirl and turn the heat up to high. Once it's boiling, turn it down to a simmer for 6 minutes, giving the carrots time to cook. After 6 minutes have passed, turn the heat back up to medium-high and let them go for another 6 minutes. This turns the juice into a glaze. Transfer the carrots into their serving dish, but reserve the glaze in the pan. Now is the time for the customization. Add another pat of butter into the pan. I love the combination of spicy and sweet, so I added cayenne here. You could instead, or in addition, add sage or rosemary. Thyme would also be delicious. If you have any pumpkin spice, that would be nice. Maybe not all of that together, but you can do whatever makes your little heart the happiest. Then test it. Swipe a carrot through the glaze, blow on it, because I'm sure it's still hot, and then taste it. What do you think it still needs? Once you have the glaze perfected, salt your carrots, and then pour the glaze over the top. And if you don't want to go through all this trouble, they also sell them in the frozen aisle with already done tweaking.
Now, let's try these. Salty, sweet, a little spicy. You know what I think they could use? A little bit of cinnamon. They taste like a sweet potato casserole. Like each little one is its own little bite of sweet potato casserole. They're pretty delicious. A lot better than they really have any right to be as carrots. We think of it as a savory dish, but really I feel like carrots are so underrated for what they can do to bring sweetness. This recipe was so easy that you could even use it for a weeknight dish. Nothing like covering something in sugar to make it absolutely amazing. What do you think you'll do with your glazed carrots to make them your own? And remember, what could be your next favorite holiday side? It just starts with a bite. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we can continue to hang out while I make even more holiday sides and you pick up even more tips.